Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Anna and today we're going to read a book, an ABC book by Dr. Seuss. You guys ready? Big A, little A, what begins with A? Aunt Annie's alligator, A. Big B, little B, what begins with B? Barber, baby, bubbles, and a bumblebee. Big C, little C, uh-oh, what's this? Camel on the ceiling, C. Big D, little D, David Donald Do dreamed a dozen donuts and a duck too. That's silly. A, B, C, D, and E. Ear, egg, and elephant. E. Big F, little f, 4 fluffy feathers on a feather. Big F. A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Goat, girl, and goo goo goggles. Big H, little h, hungry horse, hay, hen in a hat. Hooray! Hooray! Big I, little I Kaboot is itchy. So am I. Big J, little j, what begins with J? Jerry Jordan's jelly jar and jam begin that way. Big K, little k, kitten kangaroo, kick a kettle, kite, and king's statue. Big L, little Lola licks, little Lola loop, left leg, lazy lion licks a lollipop. Big M, little m, many mumbling mice are making midnight music in the moonlight. Mighty mice. Mighty mice. Big N, little n, what begin with those? 9 new neckties and a nightshirt and a nose. Can you touch your nose? Nose begin with N. O is very useful. You use it when you say Oscar's only ostrich oiled an orange owl today. This is Oscar's. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. What's next? P.
Hi CYP family, it's Miss Lydia. I miss you all so much. Today I'm to show you how to play at home with your family. It's game easy and simple. It's ABC cup hand. And I have here some item to show you. Any item around your house you have should be it's no problem. And I have my cups, my objects and my levels. When I prepare all this with our children, we can have a marker, a safety scissor, a tape, and a piece of paper. And that means we can cut a piece of paper, we can label on what our item we have to match. And if now we can write with our marker, it's easy, either way. And when we start the game, we can say our children, they can close their eyes and before we place the item on the cup. And when the kids, they close their eyes, we can go ahead and place the item on the cup. And we can ask the children, they can open their eyes and we can let them know they found the item when it starts with the B. And they can look around and check, see if they can find the ball. And when they can find the ball, they can open and can sound it out and say the word. I hope you have fun and see you later. Love.
Hello everyone, my name is Miss Sade, and today I'm going to be doing an exercise with you on how to control your body in stressful situations. So give me 1 second, I'm going to press play.
This exercise will teach you how to gain control of your stressful energy when it gets too high to handle. Close your eyes, listen, and follow along. Or keep your eyes open and follow along that way. It's up to you. Sit tall. You can be on the ground with your legs crossed, or in your chair with your feet flat on the floor. Now imagine that you can look up and see the sky. And up in the sky, way up in the sky, is a balloon. If you'd like, you can choose a color for your balloon. Keep the picture of the balloon in your mind. The balloon's string reaches all the way down to your hands. Hold on to the string. Imagine that you can feel the pull of that big balloon. Imagine that the wind pushes it from side to side. Or imagine that the wind actually tries to pull the balloon higher into the sky. Maybe you can feel the gentle tugging of the string in your hands. Now try to bring your balloon down. Be careful to go slowly. You don't want the fragile string to break from pulling too hard or too quickly. Take your time. Imagine that you can gently pull the string, hand over hand. The string collects in a pile at your feet. Hand over hand, pull after gentle pull. The balloon appears to come closer. It might even become easier to bring it down in your mind as it gets closer to you. Keep bringing it down, closer and closer. Some other strings might be longer or shorter than yours, and that's okay. Just bring it down at your speed. Focus on your balloon. Keep bringing it down. Your colorful balloon may now be within your reach. Pretend that you do not need to use the string anymore. You can actually hold the balloon between your hands. Notice if you can feel the balloon in your hands. Be gentle. Imagine that with your next out-breath, you can open your hands and release your balloon. Let it go. Notice in your mind where it goes. It could be different for everyone. Just remain still for a few more moments and watch your balloon drift away.
Thank you guys.
Relax. Think positive.
Bye.